Hello, in this video session we will discuss wave equation in linear, homogeneous and isotropic medium. So inside matter where there is no free charge, or current, Maxwell equations are first div d equal to 0 because your rho equal to 0, div d equal to rho, so rho equal to 0 means div d equal to 0. Second, div v equal to 0, div b equal to 0. And third equation is that is Corley equal to minus del b by del t. And fourth one is that is Corl H, that is j plus del d by del t. Here j is 0, so only del d by del t. If the medium is linear, so what is linear medium? In linear medium, displacement vector d is equal to epsilon e. Epsilon is a constant which is called permittivity of the medium. It is constant. Epsilon do not change with change of electric field. And H is equal to 1 by mu times of B. Mu is called permeability of the medium. Similarly, mu is constant. It does not change with the change of magnetic field. So these are linear medium. And homogeneous. In homogeneous medium, epsilon and mu do not change from point to point. Clear? So that epsilon and mu do not vary from point to point. They are independent of the space coordinates x, y, z. Epsilon and mu are independent of space coordinate, that is x, y and z. Clear? And isotropic means epsilon and mu do not vary in any direction. So Maxwell's equation becomes first div d is epsilon e equal 0, epsilon not 0, so div e is equal to 0. Second, that is unchanged, div b equal to 0. And third one is that is Corley equal to minus del b by del t, that is also unchanged. Corley is equal to minus del b by del t. And fourth one is that is del cross b is equal to, here h is that is b by mu. So multiply mu to the right hand side mu and put epsilon e in place of d. So this is mu epsilon del e by del t. Clear? So now we take curl to equation third, taking curl to third. So curl of Corley is equal to grad div e minus del square e is equal to, then right hand side is that is curl of minus del b by del t, which is equal to minus del by del t of curl b. And curl b is that is mu epsilon del e by del t, so minus del by del t of mu epsilon del e by del t, which is equal to minus mu epsilon del square e by del t square. Similarly, taking curl to fourth equation, that is del cross b is equal to grad div b, clear, minus del square b, which is equal to, then right hand side del cross del cross mu epsilon del E by del T. This is equal to mu epsilon del by del T of del cross E, and del cross E is minus del by del T, so mu epsilon del by del T of del cross E minus del B by del T, so minus del B by del T. This is equal to minus mu epsilon del square B by del T square. Clear? Now we have div E equal to 0 and div E equal to 0 and div B equal to 0. So since div E equal to 0 and div B equal to 0, so now here we put div E equal to 0. So div E equal to 0, then the left term is minus del square E. Minus del square E is equal to minus mu epsilon del square E by del T square. So we get del square E is equal to mu epsilon del square E by del T square. So this is the wave equation for E vector. Similarly, div E equal to 0. So this is 0. So minus del square B is equal to minus mu epsilon del square B by del T square. Del square B is equal to mu epsilon del square B by del T square. So these are the wave equation for E and B vector. So E has three components: Ex, Ey and Ez. So wave equation can be written as del square Ex is equal to mu epsilon del square Ex by del T square. Del square Ey is equal to mu epsilon del square Ey by del T square. Del square Ez equal to mu epsilon del square Ez by del T square. Similarly for B, del square Bx equal to mu epsilon del square Bx by del T square. Del square By equal to mu epsilon del square By by del T square. Del square Bz equal to mu epsilon del square Bz by del T square. So there are 6 components. So the components of E vector and B vector satisfied the classical wave equation. Classical wave equation. So that means that is del square psi is equal to 1 by V square del square psi by del T square. So now each equation can be compared. So by comparison, mu, that is mu epsilon is equal to 1 by B square, or B square equal to 1 by mu epsilon, or V equal to 1 by square root of mu epsilon. So this is the expression for velocity of electrostatic wave in linear, homogeneous and isotropic medium. For transparent medium, for transparent media, mu is very close to 1 and epsilon is greater than 1. Epsilon is greater than 1. So light should be travel slower through matter. Light travel slower in matter. In optics, velocity, light is an electromagnetic wave. So in optics we use velocity v equal to c by n. N is the index of refraction, or we can write an equal to c by v. And we know that c equal to 1 by mu 0 epsilon 0, that is speed of electromagnetic wave or speed of light. And we find v here. So taking the ratio c by v, which is equal to n, that is equal to, while dividing c by v, this is square root of mu epsilon or epsilon mu by epsilon 0 mu 0. So index of refraction varies according to the wavelength or color. So this is the expression for index of refraction. Thank you for the watching.